Hello everyone, we are going to start with the exercise 8.3 of trigonometry, that is class 10 syllabus. And before starting it, I'll revise the formulas that are going to be used in this exercise. Okay, so the interconversions: sine of 90 minus theta, okay, that will become cos theta. Okay, and then cos of 90 degree minus theta, it will become sin theta. Okay, and then tangent 90 minus theta, it becomes cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta, it becomes tangent theta, and secant 90 minus theta, it becomes cosecant theta, and then last one, cosecant 90 minus theta, it becomes secant theta. Okay, so sine and cos are interconvertible, tangent and cot are interconvertible, sec and cosecant are interconvertible. Okay, so up to here the formulas that we are going to use in this exercise. So we'll begin with the first question, and the first question number 1, what does it say? Sine of 18 degree upon cos of 72 degree, you need to evaluate it. So we can write sine को मैं convert कर सकती हूँ cos में, cos of 90 degree minus 18 degree I can write. So cos of 90 minus theta, it will become sin theta. Okay, and denominator में हम cos 72 को as it is रखेंगे. Cos of 90 minus 18, it becomes 72 degree, and upon cos of 72 degrees, and it will be equal to 1, which is our result. Okay, so now moving to the second question, question number 2, and it says tangent of 26 degrees over to cot of 64 degrees. Okay, so इसमें भी हम एक कन्वर्ट करेंगे, टेंजेंट ऑफ 26 को भी हम एज इट इज रखते हैं, कोट को हम कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं, कोट को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे टेंजेंट ऑफ 90 माइनस 64. So tangent 90 minus theta becomes cot theta. Okay, and here tangent 26 is as it is, and here tangent 90 minus 64, it becomes tangent 26 degrees, and here it is equal to 1 again. Alright, now we'll move to the question number 3. We'll move to question number 3, and it says cos of 42 degrees, cos of 48 degrees minus sine of 42 degrees. So cos of 48 degrees, किसी भी एक को कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम दोनों में से. Now cos of 48 degrees, दोनों में से हम किसी भी एक को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Cos of 48, I am keeping it same, converting sine, sine को cos में convert करना है, तो cos of 90 minus 42 degrees, 90 minus 42, so cos of 90 minus theta, it becomes sin theta. Now cos of this, it will become cos of 48 degrees, 90 minus 42, it becomes 48, so it gets cancelled and the result is 0. Coming to the next question, it says cosecant of 31 degrees minus secant of 59 degrees. Again we'll convert only one of them, so I'll be converting cosecant this time. Cosecant say secant 90 minus 31 degrees, okay, minus secant of 59 degrees. So secant 90 minus theta becomes cosecant theta, and here it will become 90 minus 31, 59, it will become secant of 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees, and it will get cancelled out, it will be 0. Okay. So coming to the next question, question number 2, part number 1, And what does it say? It say that we have to show that tangent 48 degrees, tangent 23 degrees, and tangent 42 degrees, and tangent 67 degrees is equal to 1. So I have noted down the left hand side. Now first step what we will do, we will find out the pairs of numbers which add up to make 90. Okay, 48, 42 they add up to make 90, दोनों add होके 90 बनाएंगे, and then 23 and 67 they will add up to make 90. So मैं first को convert करूंगी, इन दोनों में से किसी एक को convert करना है, and second and fourth से भी किसी एक को convert करना है. Okay, so I am going to convert the first one and the second one. Okay, now tangent, it can be written as cot of 90 minus 48. Cot 90 minus 48 becomes tangent 48, and here cot of 90 minus 23, it will become tangent 23, and then tangent 42 degrees and multiply tangent of 67 degrees. Okay, now cot of 90 minus 48, it will become cot of 42 degrees, then here it will become cot of 67 degrees, then tangent 42 degrees and tangent 67 degrees. Now there are two angles 42 and 67, 42, 67. Now we know that cot is inverse of tangent, cot tangent का inverse है, तो tangent 42 degrees, and here also 1 upon tangent of 67 degrees, and इन दोनों को अभी भी हम same रखेंगे 42 degrees, and then here 67 degrees to tangent. So they get cancelled out, and the result is 1. So this is what we needed to prove. Okay, so now coming to the next question, that is the second part of question number 2. cos 38, cos 52, sin 38 and sin 52. अभी इन दोनों को अगर मैं sin में convert कर दूं तो क्या होगा, sin से पूरा sin वाला term पूरा cancel हो जाएगा first term से second term, and it will be 0. That is what we need to prove. So sin of, इसको मैं कितना लिख सकती हूँ, 90 minus 38. Okay, and here sin of 90 minus 52 minus sin of 38 and sin of 52. So sin कितना बच जाएगा यहाँ पे, 90 minus 38, it will be 52 degrees, then sin of 38 degrees here, and minus sin of 38 and sin of 52 degrees. So the whole terms will be cancelled out and it will become 0. Now coming to question number 3, what is given if tangent of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. 2a acute angle है, हमारे formulas acute angle के लिए apply होते हैं, so we have to find out the value of a here. Okay, tangent, tangent को मैं convert कर सकती हूँ in cot, या cot को मैं tangent में convert कर सकती हूँ cot of, yes, but it will be easy to convert tangent into cot. So tangent को cot of 90 minus 2a I can write, cot of 90 minus 2a will become tangent a, remaining will remain the same, a minus 18 degrees, and here cot से cot, yes, sin function से function को हम neglect करेंगे in our minds. 90 minus 2a equals to, so therefore 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. Transfer them, okay, and 2a plus a and 90 plus 18, it will become 3a equals to 108, and a equals to 36 degrees. A becomes equals to 36 degrees. Okay, now coming to the question number 4, what is given here is tangent of a equals to cot of b. Tangent a equals to cot of b, and we have to find out, we have to prove that a plus b equals to 90 degrees. So tangent of a को हम cot में convert कर सकते हैं, cot of 90 minus A equals to cot of B. Now cot get cancelled in your mind. 90 minus A equals to B. I think this is the smallest question in the whole exercise. Now here A plus B will become equal to 90 degrees. So it is proved. Now coming to question number 5. What does it say? Secant of 4A equals to cosecant of A minus 20 degrees. Okay, where 4A is an acute angle. 4A is an acute angle. So we have to find out the value of A. Secant of 4A can be converted into cosecant by writing cosecant of 90 minus 4A equals to cosecant of A minus 20 degrees. Okay, cosecant cancel them in your mind. 90 minus 4A equals to A minus 20 degrees. Okay, do the transferring thing. 90 plus 20 degrees, it will become 110 degrees, and here it will 4A plus A, that will become equal to 5A, and A की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? 22 degrees. A will become equal to 22 degrees. Now coming to the question number 6, what we have given, that ABC are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, and we have to show that since sine of B plus C upon 2 equals to cos of A by 2. Now we will continue from the triangle properties that we have learned earlier. In a triangle ABC, the interior angle, sum of interior angles, is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, and angle A plus angle, अभी हमको साथ में कौन चाहिए? B and C, so remove angle A from here. So angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree minus angle A. Okay, and we want half of it. B of C का half चाहिए, so divide both the sides by 2. Dividing both the sides by 2, it will make angle B plus angle C upon 2 equals to 180 by 2, it will become 90, and this is angle A by 2. Now what we need is the sine. So taking sine function on both the sides, sine of B plus C upon 2 equals to sine of 90 minus something. So 90 minus theta, it will become cos of angle A by 2. So this is what we required. B plus angle C upon 2. So hence proved. Okay. Now coming to the question number 7. Question number 7 is a much simpler one, and this was an important question. Question number 7. Now coming to the last question, sine of 67 degrees and cos of 75 degrees, we have to convert them such that these angles comes in between 0 to 45 degrees. So what we will do, here we can write it as sine of 90 minus 23. 90 में से 23 माइनस करेंगे 67 आ जाएगा, and here also cos of 90 minus 15 degrees, so it will become 75. And here sine of 90 minus something, it becomes cos of 23 degrees, and cos of 90 minus something, it becomes sine of 15 degrees. So we have converted them into the trigonometric ratios in which the angles are between 0 and 45. So that's it with this exercise, and goodbye.